Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear students, myself, Tufail Ahmed, your social science teacher. Today we will start the online classes. Anekar Oriental Arabic Higher Secondary School, Ambur. Already you have been studying social science subject in your previous classes, 6th to 9th standard. In this social science, there are 4 sections are there. First one, history. Second one, geography. Third one, civics. And the fourth one, economics. These are the main 4 sections in social science: history, geography, civics, and economics. First, what is history? Do you know what is history? The study of past events, particularly in human affairs. The whole series of past events connected with a particular person or things. History tells about the past events, human affairs, past events, particular person or things. Next, what is geography? Do you know what is geography? Geography is the study of places and the relationships between people and their environments. Next, civics. Do you know what is civics? The study of rights and duties of citizenship. Civics tells about human rights and duties of citizenship. Next, what is economics? Dear students, do you know what is economics? Economics is a social science concerned with production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. In economic tells about production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Dear students, today I would like to explain in history section. The topic is timeline. First, what is timeline? Already you have studied in 9th standard. What is timeline? A table listing important events for successive years within a particular historical period is called timeline. A table listing important events for successive years within a particular historical period is called a timeline. There are many events in the world. All are not important. Some things are important and some things are not important. Important events is called as a timeline. In our life also, many things has happened. All things are not important. Some things are important and some things are not important. Today, we will learn important events of world history in between 1900 to 1950. First, in 1910, formation of the Union of South Africa. In 1910, formation of the Union of South Africa. Next, 1912, in the year of 1912, the first Balkan War was happened. First Balkan War was happened in the year of 1912. Next, 1914, outbreak of World War I. In the year of 1914, outbreak of World War I was held. Otherwise called as in 1914, beginning of the First World War. Beginning of the World War I was happened in the year of 1914. Next, 1917, Russian Revolution. Russian Revolution was happened in the year of 1917. Next, 1918, end of World War I. End of the World War I was happened in the year of 1918. Next, 1919, Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles was held in the year of 1919. Next, 1920, establishment of League of Nations. Dear students, establishment of League of Nations was founded in the year of 1920. Next, 1922, Mussolini's March on Rome. Mussolini's March on Rome was held in the year of 1922. Next, 1927, formation of Vietnam Nationalist Party. Formation of Vietnam Nationalist Party was formed in the year of 1927. Next, 1929, the Great Depression. The Great Depression was happened in the year of 1929. Next, 1933, Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany. Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany in the year of 1933. Next, 1934, a long march. Long march was conducted in the year of 1934. Next, 1935, Mussolini invaded Ethiopia. Mussolini invaded Ethiopia in the year of 1935. Next, 1939, outbreak of World War II. Outbreak of World War II was happened in the year of 1939, otherwise called as in 1939 the beginning of the Second World War. In 1940, Battle of Britain. Battle of Britain was broke in the year of 1940. Next, 1941, Pearl Harbor incident. Pearl Harbor incident was happened in the year of 1941. Next, 1942, Battle of Stalingrad. Battle of Stalingrad was broke out in the year of 1942. Next, 1945, end of World War II. End of World War II was broke out in the year of 1945. My dear students, today we have discussed the timeline, important events in the year of 1910 to 1945. Just to remember in this year what happened, just to remember, the timeline is an important question, 5 marks question. Inshallah, we will discuss in the next video how to write the timeline. My dear students, I request you to watch this video 2 to 3 times. If you watch this video 2 to 3 times, inshallah definitely we will remember these points. Inshallah, how to write the timeline we will discuss another video. Jazakumullahu khair.